All right, we're excited that this weekend we had the opportunity to check out the 3D, what they call building massings for our new house at Otter Point. And so this is what it looks like from the top. And we've got pretty interesting. We've got the upper driveway coming in here, so there'll be one area to park cars here. Then we also have a lower driveway with access to the suite and the workshop. So this is the view from above. And the magic really happens right about here. So we're just going to fly into this and boom, have a look at that. So that's kind of what we're talking about here with the house. And it's a tiered house. It kind of fans downwards. It pivots kind of around this corner here, which is awesome. All these windows on the front are facing the ocean. So it looks fantastic. We're really excited about the integration of the landscape here, where we can actually walk off of each of the decks onto the land itself. Here we have a typical normal patio, and then they're proposing some green roofing where it shows in green here, so that could have a really nice effect and have the house just really feel like part of the landscape. So what we've got here is on the top floor here, that's sort of the main entrance to the house, and that's living room, dining room, kitchen, pantry, and pretty straightforward, just one big giant open room, which is really cool. Downstairs we have 5 bedrooms, so the master suite might be in this corner here, but we're not quite sure yet. And then down below we have a 2-bedroom suite, and then a large workshop area, sewing room, and that type of stuff. So now we'll just flow through some of the different options here for the looks at the building, just to get a perspective of how the house integrates into the landscape and what it looks like from various perspectives. Here you can see these diagonal decks where you have the green roof on certain areas, lots of corner windows. So this will be the new entranceway, kind of a nice windy road through the woods. Come up to the house. This greenhouse right here is not going to be where it is, but so you can see as you'll come up, you'll see all the timber framing through the glass on the front. You'll see the decks, have a nice view of the ocean as well. One of the things that's important with the house, because of West Coast Road being where it is, having the house located so it blocks the decks provides privacy as well as noise reduction. Pretty epic view from on the patio, from in the house at all levels. Tough to beat that. It's one of my favorite looks here as you kind of traverse down the slope and really get to feel for how the house integrates in there. One of the things we wanted was when you're on the deck itself on one of these patios that you don't see the building down below. You want to be able to see the beach and see the ocean, and I think we've achieved that. So here's just a close-up view of what the actual house is going to look like. Now at the back there's another entrance here, which will come off to a small garden up in this area of the property, which is where there used to be a garden before. Now here's an idea of a concept layout for the actual floor plan of the house. And this again is that fan design. So at the driveway entrance here, you'll see the main entrance to the house that also goes into the garage. Then we've got the kitchen here, a nice L-shaped kitchen with a big island, an entrance and exit onto the patio where we could have an outdoor dining room. Then we have our formal dining room in the middle here. Again, amazing views all around. Proposed location of the fireplace. Then a large living room with a built-in corner seating area. Pretty slick design. In the back we've got a pantry, we've got a washroom, we've got another entrance to the house. So that's all we have so far. and the other floor plans of the house will come together as we formalize our design.